Estes Express Lines Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Estes Express Lines is a major player in freight shipping, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is complicated and opaque. The surprising truth is that Estes offers transparent and flexible pricing options for both small and large shipments. For less than truckload shipments, rates typically start around depending on weight, dimensions and distance. Whole truckload services are priced individually based on volume, distance and special handling requirements. You won't believe the added value options include liftgate service, inside delivery, and guaranteed delivery times, which can save both time and money for businesses. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on base rates. They forget to factor in services that actually improve efficiency and reduce overall costs. Estes also offers volume discounts for frequent shippers, online quote tools for instant pricing, and flexible payment plans to accommodate different business sizes. In conclusion, Estes Express Lines pricing is built to balance cost and service. By understanding shipment type, optional services, and volume discounts, you go from zero to pro in choosing the best shipping solution, ensuring reliability without overpaying.